Adam Brooks, a struggling waiter, walked to his job with tired eyes. He hadn't paid rent in 2 months.
Adam noticed a wallet near a bus stop.
There was $8,200 inside, more money than he'd ever held.
He could keep it. No witnesses, no cameras.
He knew that money could change his problems instantly. He found a business card. CEO of Kingsley Finance.
"Sir, I found your wallet,"
This is Mr. Thompson
Adam said
speaking.
nervously.
How can I assist?
David
What?
almost
No, that can't be
cried,
right.
saying that
This is
wallet
too much to
contained
handle right now.
important documents.
He went to return it personally. David thanked him deeply.
But Adam stepped.
I didn't return it for money, he said.
In his whole life, no one had refused money from him.
Adam returned home still broke, still stressed, but proud.
Things seemed to get worse. He wondered if honesty was worth it.
It was David.
Yes, I'm here.
Again.
We need to talk.
David invited. He asked Adam about his life.
I've been struggling
David
with this for a
listened
while
carefully.
now, and it's just been.
Come work for me, David said.
David offered him a full-time position. He accepted the job with tears in his eyes. He had an office, benefits, and dignity. He became known for his honesty. David publicly honored him. He reflected on that moment of choice.
Now that he was stable, he wanted to help others.
Honesty didn't just give him a job, it gave him a future.